Hi guys, it's Tara Reid. You're watching Joe and Marie all day, all night. YouTube family.
How we doing, guys?
Hi.
This video is a bunch of stuff from a bunch of different places. Whatnot, DMC, and Amazon. So we're just going to dive right now. I'll show you everything that we got. First thing we have is something from Amazon.
That should have came together.
Yeah, we pre-ordered 3 of these. 2 of them showed up. We showed them in another video. Last one finally came.
And one stinker was late.
Yep. So here we go.
But I needed the set.
Yep.
They all kind of match.
So it is the Disney
Open
classics
box.
of Flower.
Flower. Look at those little flowers.
Yep. There we go. And there we go.
They're so cute.
But,
and you can see the others on the back too.
Yep. So that all matches.
We have them all.
Yep.
They all have a little flower on the bed.
Next thing I got from somebody on Whatnot. I don't remember. I was just flipping around. And I picked up one title. This is something I really want to watch. Me and Maria are actually going to watch this tomorrow. But this is from the producer of John Wick and Sicario. And this is The Informer. Choose your enemies.
They had me at John
With
Wick.
the slip. It has the same guy that's in Silent Night. So I had to pick this one up. With the slip.
With the cardboard.
Next thing I got is something from a Disney Movie Club. Because I forgot to respond to it. With them closing, I forgot all about it.
Yet you were on the website.
Yep. And
Oopsie.
This is the 4K of The Marvels. With this nice holofoil slipcover.
Mm-hmm.
But, got that. I know. I heard nothing but great things about that.
Oh.
And I did order for a couple of friends on DMC, and because I'm a VIP, I can grab free stuff. So I grabbed something free
and this
for me.
is so cute.
This is a little baby tuk-tuk from Raya and the Last Dragon. Nice little pin.
Raya?
Yep, Raya, tomato. But I wanted to grab that. Next thing, this I got
cute.
from Fatmoe on Whatnot. I got a bunch of stuff.
Whoa.
First thing is something that he threw in. And this is a magazine, Scream Magazine number 37, Dawn of the Dead Rises on Blu-ray. He threw that in. So thank you very much for that. I really, really appreciate it. And then I grabbed 4 Blu-rays. We'll go with the one that's open first. This is an Eli Roth Presents The Stranger. Never heard of it. Looked interesting. It's a Scream Factory. So I had to pick that one up.
These are all up your alley.
Yeah. Next one is another Scream Factory. Used to have this on VHS. Great movie. It's a William Friedkin film. And this is The Guardian.
I thought you were going to say William freaking Dafoe.
No. Great film. I've always enjoyed it. I remember it came out around the same time as Species. This looks ridiculous as hell. But I like ridiculous. And it might be on It Doesn't Make the Shelf one day. And it's another Scream Factory. And it's Animal.
Yeah. Maybe you'll see that one again.
Yeah, maybe. This is another great film. So I picked it up.
This is Scream.
And this is a collector's edition.
They're all Screams, actually.
And this is Phantom of the Paradise. Again, another brand new factory seal. But those are all the ones that I had from Fatmoe. He had a bunch of Scream Factory titles. So I decided to pick those up. Next box I got
Look at that dude on the piano jamming out.
Yeah. Next box I got all of these from Mediamayhem. In the description down below, I'll leave a link for Fatmoe and for Mediamayhem. I picked up 6 titles from him, and I won. Well, I phrased that. I picked up 5 titles, and I won a giveaway as well.
You're gonna put them in order. So.
Yeah, the giveaway. I already have this in 3D, but I'll put this in my son's collection because he likes this movie. And this is The Nut Job on Blu-ray. Nuts.
Cute.
So, grab that for him. This is a Synapse film.
These are all completely different.
Yep. And this is Tormented of Evil. This is one of the Coffin Joe films. Pick that one up.
Misfits Lab.
The next two films are part of that 6-film series.
Oh.
I got 2 out of the 6. And this is Unearthed Films. And this is American Guinea Pig Sacrifice. It's pretty much straight up torture porn. But I like my torture porn. So
me too.
I'll pick it up. I can't show you the back, but let's just go with it.
I flipped it over and it showed the same image on the back, and I'm like, ah.
Next one is another American guinea pig film, and it is Bloodshock. Again, like my torture porn.
You have to stick stuff near the eyes.
Next one is a film that came out recently. I wanted to watch this. Me and Marie will probably watch this during the day tomorrow. So this is a While Gary's Up kind of movie. And this is Anyone But You. I almost bought it at Walmart with the slip for $23, but I'd rather get it open with no slip for $6. So, no brainer. And the last one is an upgrade for the collection. I've always been a big fan of this film. It has Bridget Fonda in it, and it is Point of No Return on Blu-ray. I've had a snapper of this since I bought it at Walmart a long time ago, or like over 20 years ago. So, really excited for that. And that is everything that I have for this video. Short, sweet, to the point. And here we go with a nice little elevator.
Put tuck tuck on top.
And a little tuck tuck.
Tuck tuck.
Flower.
Look at all the little flowers.
I know.
Scream.
And then scream. Ah.
We're monsters.
Yep. But that is everything that I got for the month. If you like this video, hit the like button.
Last time you.
If you didn't like it, videos before and after. Want to subscribe to us, subscription button, hit the notification bell. We'll have more videos for you. Really, a comment down below about any stuff that I picked up. Do you like any of those? What do you think of the American Guinea Pig films? Is it classic films right up your alley? No, let us know. Again, in the description down below will be Fatmoe's links as well as Mediamayhem once again. But until next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Download the Funko app.
What? Hell no.